Hi guys, this is Vineet and I welcome you to this video. Today's video topic is how to create a table for storing the file stream data in SQL Server. In our earlier video, we had created a database to store the file stream data. If you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and do so before you can go on with this video. So please watch that out. And guys, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel yet, I would recommend please subscribe to this channel immediately because I will be releasing more and more videos on FileStream and I don't want you to miss any of these videos. So the purpose is that you get timely notifications for all the videos, FileStream videos that I'm posting. So if you are subscribed, you will easily get these notifications. So please go ahead and subscribe right away. There is a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button. It will give you a bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my upcoming videos. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Please go ahead and do so. So guys, I hope you must have subscribed by now. So let's move ahead. There are some points to remember while watching my videos. Please watch this video till the end to gain better clarity of the concept, and if it's possible for you, please watch this video twice or as many times as you like until the concept gets clear to you. Perform any exercises in your test and lab environments only. Do not touch any production environment or production databases. Lastly, we would like to know your thoughts regarding our videos. So please do share in your comments, feedback, suggestions, reviews, requirements, questions, any day-to-day experiences with SQL Server. You may also let us know about the situations where my content has helped you somewhere in some way. We love to hear your stories and read your comments, so do post in guys. We eagerly wait for your comments. We have created the playlist for you to watch, and why we have created these playlists, because playlists are best way to learn about any particular area. For example, this video belongs to the database design area, and if you want to learn about database design area in particular, what I would recommend is go to the SQL Server database design playlist, watch out all the videos from starting till the end to get a better grasp on that particular area. So some of my common playlists are database design, tables, business continuity, SQL Server indexing, performance tuning, integration services, and Transact-SQL. We have posted more than 230 videos on our channel, so we have a huge library of videos. And if we talk about the SQL Server database design playlist, it has more than 82 videos at present. And apart from SQL Server playlist, we have a Python playlist as well, which is Python Programming Workshop playlist, which we had just started and contains only a couple of videos. We will keep on adding videos to this playlist as well, so keep an eye and keep subscribed. And at the bottom of this slide, you see a channel page link. That's my channel page link. And the link for all these playlists and my channel page link is also given in the video description area. So please check out the video description area for this video. You will find out all the links. Now let us move ahead. Let's come back to the topic. Today we will demonstrate how you can create a table for storing a file stream data. Let me directly take you to SQL Server because we have to perform practical. Now today we will show you how to create a table for storing the file stream data. If you haven't watched the earlier video where we had created a database for storing the file stream data, please go ahead and do so. That is essential before you continue with this video. So I hope you have already watched that video. So I'm continuing with this video by taking that as a prerequisite. Now today we will show you how to create a table for storing the file stream data. Now when a database has a file stream file group, you can create or modify tables to store file stream data. So first of the requirements for creating file stream, any tables to store the file stream data, you must have file stream file groups already created. In my previous video, we had created one of the file stream file groups. So if you don't know how to create the file stream file groups, please watch out my previous video. So file stream file groups are the prerequisites for creating any tables to store the file stream data. And to specify that a column contains file stream data, we create that column as a var binary max column. And we basically add the file stream attribute to that column as well in order to indicate that this particular column will hold the FileStream Data. Now let's jump directly into practical. You need to open SQL Server, connect to your SQL Server instance, and you need to click on a new query to display the query editor. And we will run some Transact-SQL code. And basically this Transact-SQL code will create a file stream enable table called records. And this table we will create in the archive database, which we had created in our previous video. So previous video, you must go through the previous video if you want to continue with this practical. So I am working on top of archive database. So you need to know how to create the database. So watch out the previous video. All right. So let me select archive database from here. Although we can give full reference to a database, but yeah, let me select archive database from here. We will write a code to create a file stream enabled table called records. And let's write the code. You may write that along with me. So I'm creating a table using the create table statement. And the table I'm creating is under the archive database, under the DBO schema, and the table name is records. We need to define the table structure here. So my first column will be ID over here. So ID is my first column, and it will be a unique identifier column. So you can mention it like this, unique identifier, and it will be a row width column, and it will not be null. And let's create a unique constant on it so that it should contain a unique value. Let me correct the bracket for ID. So first column should be your any ID column, which should be a unique identifier, and it should be a row width column, and it should not be null, and it should be unique. So this is how you create such columns. Now, next column I'm taking is the serial number. So let's take serial number, and the data type for this column will be integer, and this will also contain some unique values, not the duplicate ones. And let's create last column, which will be the chart column, which contains the chart data. And let's take this column as var binary max, and this column will be our file stream column, so that it should get stored on the file system instead of the database tables. It should be a file stream column, and it can be null. All right, so this is the whole table definition. So let me take you through the definition one time. Now the following code example shows how to create a table that is named records, and the ID column is a row grid column over here, and it's required to use file stream data with Win32 APIs. So we need this column to use the file stream data with the Win32 API. So that's the requirement. This column is the requirement. You should have a row grid column, one particular column of row grid column type, if you want to use the file stream data with the Win32 APIs. Next is the serial number column. It's a unique integer column. And lastly, we have chart column, which is a var binary max column, and it's a file stream column indicated by the file stream keyword. And it can be this column can contain null values as well. And this column will be used to store the chart data in the file system. All right, so let's go ahead and execute this statement so that this table gets created. So guys, we are done with this video. In today's video, we have shown you how you can create a table with a file stream column to store the file stream data. And we have shown you the structure of that particular table. It should contain a row grid column as well, so that Win32 APIs can access the file stream data via the APIs. And finally, we have shown you what's the format for the file stream data column. And we take var binary max as the data type, and we indicate file stream to basically indicate to SQL Server that this column will contain a file stream data. So guys, yeah, we are pretty much done, and I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please click on the like button below this video. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, or if you are new subscriber, not subscriber, if you're a new user, or if you are watching my videos from a long period of time, but yeah, you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that right away. That's my recommendation, because otherwise I don't want you to miss any of the videos that I'm creating on FileStream and any other important topics. I need you to subscribe right now. There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button. It will give you a bell icon. Click on that bell icon. Select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future videos on FileStream and on other topics as well. So let me give you 5 seconds to do so. There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that button. So guys, I hope you must have subscribed by now. Apart from that, guys, do post in your comments, reviews, feedback, suggestions, requirement, questions, any day-to-day experiences with SQL Server. You may also let us know about the any situations where my content has helped you somewhere in some way. And guys, if you have a good network of friends, please indulge them in watching my videos and ask them to subscribe to my channel so that these videos can benefit them as well. So need your help from regarding this area. If you have if you have a good network of friends, please do help me here by getting them subscribed to this channel and ask them to watch my videos. If and only you feel my content is good and it will be useful for them and can improve their life. Yeah, and only that, guys. I would need this help from your end. If you feel so, please share these videos with your friends and ask them to subscribe. I thank you so much for your time on this video today, guys, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.